There's a house there, and we'll over here. Soil, the landfill built up. That concrete wall at the back was there before. And this will be the roadway here. There's another row of house blocks under the blue tarps between this and the big house there. We've had some rain here this afternoon. It's going to rain again too. The main house I'm filming has got the formwork up for the columns up above for the second story. That's all happened. The steel work here, all this steel work is the A-frame for the roof. They're all getting painted and prepared, sealing the ends, doing it all. Rust doesn't seem to be a problem here in Thailand with steel. Everything's built with steel and you don't see it failing a lot. These rusty old ones here, the red ones, they were the concrete formwork. They'll be not used on the roof. And there it is. Each one's individually painted. There's the girl. Look at that. She's painting the inside of each beam with a roller. Wow. Those will be poured. They may be poured already, I'm not sure, I can't tell. Then those another lot of beams, horizontal beams, will be placed on top of them, I think, and then the A-frame roof goes on. There's also going to be a big veranda on the outside of this as well. Madam Foreman's checking the plans, making sure it's all going to order. Highly detailed too, exactly the same as any other architectural plans that you'd use in the West. Just to interrupt for a moment, I'm having a big crusade trying to get 1,000 subscribers. And if there's any questions anybody wants to know, just leave it in the comments below. There's going to be a big downpour very shortly, I believe, by the feel of the cool breeze that's got up. And that's it. Not much more to report from over here. The overwhelming impression I'm getting watching this house being built is the efficiency and the speed at which it's happening. Absolutely amazing. And the engineering quality is amazing also, as you can see. A really high quality. Okay, next week, next video, the roof's going on. Cheers guys, have a good one.